Good morning, everybody from Epcot. We are here to check out Festival of the Holidays. So believe it or not, I actually did score one Fast Pass today. And I know what you're thinking. What about any ride at Epcot is necessarily Christmas themed? Well, for the first time, as far as I'm concerned ever, they actually did a holiday overlay of a ride here at Epcot. So we made our way here to the Land Pavilion to ride a holiday version of Living with the Land. Thought the Christmas decorations on Living with the Land were absolutely adorable. It made the ride a lot more fun, actually. But because the greenhouse is supposed to look like it's outside, I feel like it might be a totally different experience at night. Can we just take a second to appreciate the level of adorable that the holiday magnet is this year? Look at this. Chippendale. I love it. I say we head on into World Showcase. Oh, this is new. What in the world is this? Surprisingly enough, a show at Disney that I haven't heard of. We're gonna be back for you. Since we had a minute to kill, I decided to grab some food, and you know, you're gonna see your YouTube timeline, I'm sure, flooded with videos on the cookie trail, which is also a really fun option. And if you want to check it out, I actually did that last year. But this year I actually got my Festival of the Holidays favorite, the turkey poutine. So turkey poutine, absolutely delicious. Definitely try to check it out and get some when you come. And while I finished eating that delicious turkey poutine, I actually had the pleasure of having a few-minute conversation with Rick from Rick's Flicks. If you guys haven't watched his channel, you absolutely should. Awesome channel, super nice guy. So this is something that I probably won't be doing on video, but this is the location of the candlelight processional celebrity narrators, an entire choir. It's a big popular number. But continuing with festival favorites and showing them off, I want to show you one of my favorite shows every single year. It takes place here in the American Pavilion. Ladies and gentlemen, the ever-talented Voices of Liberty.
Christmas is here. Ding, 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 dong. Ding, 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 dong. All the says dong, dear to the home, don't let me home. All the dong, dear to the home, don't let me home. Ding, 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 dong, ding, 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 ding. Snowbound mountains, snowbound valleys, snowbound lands.
Such a good show, such a great job. Dude, it honestly makes me tear up every time I watch it. It's so ridiculously good. Honestly, with me going to Disney so much, this is like my version of Christmas carols. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. To be honest, I'm not 100% sure what's going on right now. Oh my god, what was that? That was so fun. I told you I'd be back for it. And I am. And for my last stop today, I'm going to try something entirely new from the Yukon Holiday Kitchen in Canada. So I picked up the frozen coffee, non-alcoholic option. There is a more expensive option with whiskey in it as well, but your boy's gotta drive home, so let's try this. I have whipped cream all over my face, don't I? It's okay, it's worth it. It's really good. What an absolutely insane, awesome day here at Epcot Festival Holidays. We tried some amazing food and saw a lot more shows than I thought we did. It kind of became a day of shows, but I'm not complaining, and I hope neither are you. With that being said, though, I'm going to sign off here. Go ahead and subscribe down below for weekly adventures. Ring that little bell icon for notifications on every single episode. You guys have a great day and happy holidays. So I just have one question. Do you prefer Merry Christmas or Feliz Navidad?
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.